know what's going. You got cheese, I got...
Hi everyone, I'm Aaliyah and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, we're going to be doing online window shopping on Vinted. So basically, we're going to be looking at all the gems that I would love to buy and wish I could buy, but I'm not going to. I'm trying to save a bit of money. I feel like I've been spending quite a bit lately on clothes and I'm trying to cut back, so we're just going to have a little browse at what's on there. So yeah, I don't actually want to buy anything today, but I do have this shopping urge in me that I just need to get out of my system. So I just thought this would be a good little idea and a fun way to, you know, browse, see what's out there, but not actually get anything. So yeah, I'm going to screen record my laptop so you can see everything that I'm saying, and yeah, let's head over to Vinted. Okay, so I'm on the Vinted website and I'm just trying to think. Do you know what? Let's look at the jackets. Even though it might be summer, I love a good jacket. So whenever I go on Vinted, I always go on the filters and like pick a few sizes, because I feel like sometimes too on Vinted you have a mixture of both new and vintage items, and sometimes vintage sizes can be very small, so I like to be kind of a bit lenient with the sizes, so I do select quite a few, especially with jackets as well, because sometimes depending on the jacket I might want it to be a bit more oversized, sometimes I want it to be more fitted. So yeah, I'm just going to filter down. Actually no, who am I kidding with the size 14? Let's get rid of that size 14 there. So yeah. Ooh, I like that one, that patchwork one. Let's have a little nosy at it. Oh my god, that is so stunning. It's like a patchwork quilted jacket. God, that'd be so lovely to wear for like a festival. That's like human at it. Oh my god, that is so gorgeous. I love like the mixture of like pinks and oranges. That is so nice. How much is it? Okay, it's £40 and £42.70 for buyer's protection. Do you know what? I'm gonna add that to my favourites. I really like that jacket. See what else. Oh, my sister. I feel like that is very much my sister's kind of vibe, because she is a little vintage Chanel gal. She'd love that. See what else they've got. I feel like I'm just seeing a lot of like raincoats on here. Do you know what? I'm gonna narrow down the search and look for... Do you know what? I'm going to look for a fair cropped jacket, because I actually do really want one of them for the autumn and winter time, so let's do that. Okay, and as you can see, when like you look for more specific items, it really does narrow the search down. Like before, like on the search, I just typed in jackets, it was giving me 500 plus results, and now it's 171. So let's have a little nosy. Sometimes I will like put the filter on for like the colour as well, but I'm not like really like, I don't really have like a colour in mind that I want, so I'm not going to do that. Oh, I see, I've already faved the jacket there. None of these are really... Ooh, actually, let me look at that one there. God, that fur looks really nice and soft. But then do I love it? Don't ever love it. Oh my god, look at that there. It's fucking £9. Oh my god. 10.15 with buyer's protection. Oh my god. That is so cheap. For a fair jacket. Do you know what? I'm gonna add that to my favourites. See these like type of fair jackets? I think they're fucking disgusting. Like there's hardly any fur on it. Oh no. It just looks terrible. No offence if you've got that jacket by the way, but I'm personally just not a fan of it myself. With that one, I like the look of that. And it's a £5. Well, £5.95 with the buyer's protection. That's like the type of jacket I'm looking for. I want like a very like large collar on the fair jacket, and that has that. I really like the look of that. Let me like look at some of the pictures. Zoom in a little bit. I don't know if I'm fussed on this bit here. It kind of just like looks like a strip of like material that's not fair. I feel like it looks a bit weird being there, but I have a little nosy. I really like this jacket, but that like strip of material is kind of throwing me off a little bit, but I do also at the same time like it because it's got the shape that I want. Again, I'm going to add to my favourites because your girl is not buying anything today. I say that. Let's see what happens at the end of this video. I probably would have bought fucking 5 things. Okay, nothing is really standing out to me now in terms of the fair jackets. So let's move on to something else. Do you know what I do want? I want an American football jersey. Do you know the NFL ones? So we'll look at them instead. I've really been into the whole blue core trend that's going on, but I like it when it's like done in a more feminine way. So like Rihanna, I've seen her do it where like I like insert a picture. She wore this like silver jersey and she had on a pair of like grey jeans and heels, and she just looked absolutely like amazing. And if I got a jersey, that's how I kind of want to style it. I kind of want to add like a feminine touch to it. And I feel like when it comes to stuff like jerseys or football tops, you're best looking in the men's section on here. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm just going to go on category men's. I'll just click all. This is because I feel like, I guess like American football is more of like a male dominated sport. So normally when you do look at jerseys, they are in male sizes. So that's just like a little tip. Like normally when like I've looked at women's ones in the past, not that much comes up. And I want this jersey to be quite oversized, so I'm going to look at large and extra large. And that helps narrow down the results. Ooh, that's I've never seen that colour before. Let's have a little nosy. And with these, like, people might get offended because when I look at these jerseys, like, I don't even have a clue like what team they are or anything because I'm not into the sport. I just think the jerseys look cool. I think that would be so nice for the summertime. That is a lovely colour, but I think it is quite expensive for what it is. Like, you can get them a lot cheaper than that, so we're going to pass on that. That's an alright one. It's just nice and simple, just black and white, so that would pair with a lot. It's 15 quid, which isn't too bad. I actually quite like that one. Okay, I feel like not that much came up, so I feel like a lot of times with Vinted, you need to mess around with like what you're typing in the search. So I feel like I wasn't really getting that much with American football jersey. So instead, I'm going to type in American football varsity and see what comes up with that. Okay, so no items came for that. Let's just type in NFL top. Okay, so a lot's coming up, and again, I'm just going to go on the sizes and filter that down. As you can see, just by changing what I put on the search, I have so many results now. I have 500 plus now, whereas before I think I had like a bit over 100. So let's have a little nosy again of what we've got. Ooh, I quite like this one here. It's not like in the best condition. I don't know if you can see it like there, like on like the number on the 7. It's kind of like cracked a bit, like the prints on it. I mean, this is what happens with vintage stuff as well, and like when you use vintage, like it's not always going to be in the best condition. That's why you like really do need to like inspect all the images. And also too, a lot of the sellers will like add in if there's anything wrong with the product here, like in the description bit. It's cute, but I don't know if I love that one, so we'll move. Ooh, I like the look of this one. I absolutely love the colour green. See with this one, they only have one image. I don't trust this, and it's 45 quid as well. I think that is a bit expensive for a jersey. But I like the colour. And a lot of times what I do, if I like a product, I just scroll down and Vinted, it'll recommend similar items to the product that you've looked at. And sometimes when you do this, you can literally find the exact same item that someone else is selling for a cheaper price, better condition. So always have a little nosy down here at what else Vinted is recommending to you. I feel like this is kind of making me look like a liar because like nothing looks similar to that jersey at all, but I do promise it is a really good tool and it has been very helpful to me quite a few times in the past when I've shopped on here. Again, okay. Ooh, that's a bit of me, that. Let's have a little look. Ooh, yeah, I like this little blue jersey. So let's have a little look at the description. Really cool piece of clothing. I just never wear it. It does have some stains on from when I bought it, but still doesn't take away from the top. Oh yeah, it does have quite a few stains on, doesn't it? But I do actually quite like the overall top. I probably wouldn't buy it because I don't want stains on my clothes. Oh my god, they've got Adenola on here. I've never seen that. Sorry, I've just like saw this in like the similar items bit. Oh wow. Anyway, I feel like we've looked at jerseys for quite a bit now. So let's move on to something else instead. Let's look at, what can we look at? So we'll look at shoes instead now. So I've been wanting a pair of pointed flat shoes for a while, so we're gonna look at them. And sometimes with shoes you can literally find them like brand new in the box on Vinted, so it's always worth a look. Now I have like giant feet. I can't remember if my size is even in the women's bit. Yeah, it is. Size 9 there. And as we can see, because I do have mum feet, I only have 30 results for pointed flat shoes. So let's have a look at what we've got. Oh no, these are not given. As you can see, I've already favoured a pair of these ones and they're absolutely stunning. So you guys better not buy them on me. I'll be fuming if you do. I mean, I don't even know if I'm ever going to buy them, but you just can't buy them. Because that's just, yeah, it's just not nice, is it? No, I'm not really the biggest fan of these shoes, so let's move on to something else. Do you know what we can look at instead? We can look at the Clark Wallabies, because I've been wanting a pair of them as well, so we'll have a little nosy at them. Have I even spelled that right? Is that how you spell Wallabies? Let me have a little check if I've spelled it right. Yeah, I've spelled it right. Do we need to add the S on Clarks? No. So I'm gonna look at the men's instead and see if anything comes up with that. So it's not showing anything for the women's Clark Wallabies, and put the 9 on the men's. And as you can see, it's brought me results. So sometimes, like for example, so like with shoes, you can get a 9 in both men's and women's. So if you do have like bigger feet, a certain size isn't shown in the women's section, always change it over to the men's, because I can guarantee you will find them in the men's instead. Oh, I like the look of them, but the 50 quid. And also the cream, I feel like they'd get rotten, but they look so nice. Brand new as well in the box, quite marked to one of the shoes, see pictures. Oh yeah. It's not too noticeable though, but I just think they'd get rotten. But I do think they're absolutely stunning. And let's look at the soles. Oh yeah, like you can tell they've like not been worn. It's literally perfect, the sole. But I just know they'd get rotten. Oh, they're nice. They're like a burnt orange, kind of. Oh no, they're absolutely stunning now. But again, the £75, and with things like that, I just think I'd rather just pay full price and get a new pair myself. Like, I'm not too sure how much the Clark Wallabies are. I think maybe 100 quid, but at least I know like the brand now. So yeah, I don't think that's worth it. But that is a stunning colour, I will admit. I find it mad how like there's such a big difference in terms of like the Clark Wallabies. Like you've got someone here that are 20 quid and then ones that are close to 150 quid. Oh god, look at them there. They're 160. To be fair though, like let's have a look at the picture. Like they look like they've never even been took out the box before. Yeah, see, never been out of the plastic, you can tell. But then if I'm buying them second hand, I'm not gonna lie, like I do want like a bit of a bargain, so let's pass on the Clarks. What else can we look at? Do you know what we'll look at? We'll look at a ballet core. What I love about Vinted is that you can type in the name of like an aesthetic and you'll find so much stuff to go along with that aesthetic. So I've just typed in ballet core, and as you can see, it very much is given ballet core. So yeah, again, I'm just gonna go on the sizes and filter down the sizes that I want. And let's see what we've got. Oh my god, I think that is absolutely stunning. That'd be so cute. £8. Oh, that is actually gorgeous, that. Oh no, I actually love that. No, I love it. I can't buy it. Aaliyah, you're not buying it. I can't buy it, but I do love it. Oh, I'm adding that to my favourites. And again, you guys, you better not be buying this stuff that I'm favouring, because I'll be fuming. Honestly, you just can't do it to me. I thought like we were mates, you know, you can't be doing this to me. Like, I'm not gonna lie, some of this isn't given a ballet core, but it is given like very much like girly girl. Ooh, this dress is a bit funky, isn't it? Let's have a nose. That is stunning. I mean, I wouldn't wear it, but I do think that is such a gorgeous dress. I don't know why, but it reminds me of, what's that film called? 13 going on 30. I feel like this dress should be in that film. But no, that's quite cute. Oh my god, wait one sec. I was literally looking at that dress on Outpoly the other week. Oh, that's stunning now. But that would not fit me at all. Originally UK size 12, but it fits UK size 8 to 10 perfectly. It runs quite small. No, but that dress is absolutely stunning. I'm sure she's like an influencer or TikToker. She looks very familiar. But no, she absolutely looks stunning in that dress. No, oh my god, she looks like a little fairy. And like, look at all these pictures here. Oh my god, what the hell? Hey, Vinted, it's a given. I would love to buy all of her clothes, but like I'm just not a size 8 at all. But oh my god, she looks so good. Anyway, I'm getting sidetracked here. We're now gonna move on to like more streetwear brands. I absolutely love streetwear, but a lot of streetwear brands like, you know, Bape, Stussy or Stussy, however you pronounce it, Supreme, what else is there? Billionaire Boys Club, they are very expensive. And me personally, I just can't justify like paying the prices that they charge, but a lot of those brands can be found on Vinted. So let's type in Billionaire Boys Club and you'll see like so many people are selling like stuff for brands. And again, with brands like these, like the more streetwear brands, I don't even bother looking at the women's section because it's always shit compared to the men's. So I'm just gonna go over to the men's bit, put in the sizes that I'm after, and as you can see, what people are charging is literally a quarter of the price that you'd be paying if it was full price. Like that top there is 25 quid. Let me have a little Google on how much a Billionaire Boys Club t-shirt is. So normally a Billionaire Boys Club t-shirt is normally like £75, £55, but again, you're still like saving quite a bit of money on that. Ooh, that hoodie there, that's 35 quid. I reckon the hoodies are quite expensive. Let's have a little check. So yeah, I was right. Like, so a lot of like the hoodies are £105, 160, 130. This one, £35. Like, see, and like let me click on it. I bet like that's in like alright condition as well. Let's have a little check. Yeah, worn a few times but still in great condition. And again, if I was gonna buy this, I would inspect the image. Yeah, I can't see anything on the front. And there's nothing on the back. So you could be getting a hoodie that literally looks brand new and saving yourself 100 quid or more. See what I mean? Like Vinted is such a boss app and boss website. The amount of like good shit that you can find on here, it's a joke, honestly. My laptop is going crazy, the sound of it. So I think that might be a sign that I've been on here a bit too long. So yeah, I'm going to end the video here. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it and maybe got some inspiration on things to look out for, and also some like tips on how to search a bit better and effectively on Vinted. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe, and hopefully I'll see you very soon in my next video. So bye for now.
Yeah, got the money in the headlight, big dog every time we